Here's a quick tip for finding the perfect place to drill your hardware holes. Take a piece of green painter's tape and apply it onto the back of your hardware. Then using a pencil, mark out where the holes are. Then measure where you want your hardware to be on your project and lay the tape down so the holes correspond. This will allow you to drill pilot holes in the exact right spot. I also used my hardware template that I bought from Amazon, and that just works dreamy. It's so easy to measure where the hardware holes are. And once I drilled the pilot holes, then I went ahead and changed out my drill bit and screwed the actual holes for the screws to go into. Once I had the holes drilled and perfectly in place, it was time to install the new tray handles. And check this out. Doesn't it look cute?